To make toad in the hole, first preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Then pour 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of vegetable oil into a large metal roasting tin. Put the tin in the preheated oven until the oil is hot. Then add 1 pound or 450 grams of sausage to the tin. Cook the sausage for about 10 minutes. Turn the sausages at least once to coat them in oil. While the sausages are cooking, quickly make the batter. In a large mixing bowl, mix 4 ounces or 115 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of salt, and 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of pepper. Make a hole in the center of the flour mixture. Then add 2 eggs and 1 cup or 240 milliliters of milk. Whisk until the batter is smooth. Then take the sausages out from the oven and pour the batter over them. Finally, place the sausages back in the oven and cook for another 30 minutes. Remove when the batter is puffed up and the sausages are sizzling and brown.